What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
The Barnet Street Police have commenced an investigation into the shooting death of a man and the wounding of two female sex workers in downtown Montego Bay on Wednesday night. The deceased has been identified as 21-year-old Akeem Chino Barrett, unemployed, of Norwood in St. James. Reports by the police are that shortly after 8 p.m, Barrett was walking along the roadway in the vicinity of Strand Street and Love Lane when he was approached by a man with whom he has a long-standing dispute. It is further reported that the man brandished a handgun and chased Barrett, who ran towards a hangout spot used by prostitutes. The gunman opened fire, hitting Barrett multiple times, and also shot the two women in the process. He then escaped on foot. The Barnet Street Police were summoned, and upon arrival, the victims were rushed to the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where Barrett was pronounced dead and the women admitted in serious condition. A female, one of the prostitutes, gonna speak now. Me nearly dead too. And the good Lord saved me from get shot because me did stand up and talk to one of the girls them too. Another prostitute told news. Me see when the brother chased the other youth, but we never know say him did have a gun in a him hand. Is when the youth reach up to it and we hear the gunshot them a fire. We know what a go on. We hear bloy, bloy, bloy. And the first time I encounter them, I seen thing ya. Me say everybody have to take foot because the boy a fire pure shot. I just bloy, 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 blap, blap, blap. It's like him not care who him kill, just as long as him know say the other boy dead. She added. John, viewers and subscribers. So, boy, basically, this youth you now, Chino, right, Akeem, the youth want him and a man have a dispute, him run, you understand, because when you see maybe a man come with fame piece and thing, and him run, go towards the women them. This man now, youth, him not care according to what one of the process say, see, him just spray the place with bullets. And in the process, two females who was doing their business also get shot. Well, viewers and subscribers, look into the whole thing you know. This youth you know, and that's the same thing what I talked about the other day. So a lot of these shooting we see a go on a yard. Enough of them you know. Like them look a careless one ya. We see man that's a blah, 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 blah. You know what I mean? Can't bust a gun good. Just a spray shot. Anybody catch. Zin? As some look at youth them, you get me? Who just get the pie and decide so them are gonna beat the pie and anybody and them in a problem, them are gonna beat the pie. And in the process, people, him have to get rid of this youth because no say no. There will be a return if him not get rid of this youth. And that's what I tell people. Not for the youth them now think. Be a gangster today, dead tomorrow. Where makes sense? Live life lavish today. Broke tomorrow, dead tomorrow. Where makes sense? Zin? And me always tell you them say, the gun thing, the crime thing, the gang thing, the bad man thing, it no make no sense on a real level. The careless living no make no sense. And there's the road to choose. Zin? And everybody must decide what they want in life. And I say it already. Youths, you want bad, you choose bad. You want good, you choose good. But you don't know how to think straight. See there now, people. Two pras get shot too. Zin, them the hospital in a serious condition. So maybe later, tomorrow you can hear say, look so one of the female them drop out said speed. You get what me say, people? Just to show you how careless these youths are. You know? Him and a youth in a war, you know. Him and a youth in a war. The pras them not nothing to do with them and the youth in a war. Which maybe there's other things behind it too. Maybe it's a youth where you know what I mean? Because I tell you the truth, you have some time, you know. You have some press because at the time, remember them say the youth unemployed, them now work. Zin, you have a lot of press on the road. You know what I mean? And when they press them on the road, people, Zin, and I do them thing. I hustle and I do them thing. They always sometimes have some man around them, you know, who would stand like security guard to protect them. So it can be something like that now where this youth now was working like a security guard said speed, Zin, and just because that the youth they'll come film know say look so the woman them know where I go and you know them know certain things, so me have to lick out all them two female at you in the car. One of them maybe the youth, you know what I mean? It happens, people. And what I'm saying, I'm looking to all things. Press, this not happening in a daylight, this happening at night, Zane. And people, curfew now go on to Jamaica. So curfew now go on for them people at all. That's what I want to know. Curfew now go on for them people at all. They don't respect timing. Because shortly after 8 p.m., you know what I mean? Them not for them on the road after 8 p.m. Because basically I work them at work, so after 8, you know. If this a youth maybe they turn a yard now, or going home from 6 o'clock. And that's why when you sit down a mobile now, you know. The COVID thing I turn up down there and them I say it's a big worry down a mobile right now because the COVID like get higher and higher down there. People now learn. I know some don't want the money. But if you don't want the money, go do business before it reaches so late. Now nobody say you NEWLINK, you promote whatever, you support them. No, it's not say you promote them or you support them or what. You know what I mean? But basically that's them job what them do because them have to live, them have to eat food. Which me not tell a man how to live him life. But if somebody choose the road and say you're hustling, them are going to do, you know. I can't stop them. You get me? I say, and that's why I say every day, and everybody if you know what road they choose in life. A man decide say, yo, that him want to do, you know. Female decide that him want to do it, she want to do, you know. So fine, so be so done. You get me? I say, I just want to know, say, me nah mix night and me tell them the right things. So listen, you know, say no right still, but what me I go do, me can't force nobody answer this. But what me I say, since as NEWLINK can't force them, we just follow the rules and protocols and the laws. See, most of them look killing over them youth are dead, you know. Them are brought the curfew time, them, you know, them not listen. See, sometimes if you done, you know, in the community, a man would catch no water port, you know. You know what I mean? Because enough time when I see man dead out of port people, I think a man from the community come out of port. If a man in a them place and lick them out in them place. Them know where them live. They know if you hide under the cellar. They know if you hide under the back of the house. They know if you go into the tree and jump out like Jackie Chan and jump in the neck and do him a do. Some of them know if you come through rooftop. You understand? So enough of them, they don't have to go into the town certain place go for him. But because certain man know from other place now know so listen, you know. The boy always around they say, you know, you understand? Or they know so, you know, so normally, on the other night, the youth go buy him things though. You understand? Through curfew, go on early, him go buy it, you know, but normally, him go do look hustling there, so him get a food, and I know, so him go buy it. Or me tell you, I maybe at the security work, him do set speed. Zine? But youths, you have to tap that show in the life. Youths, you have to tap wheels in the life. As we talk over and over, the bag of gun thing don't make no sense. The bag of killing thing don't make no sense. You know what I mean? Wasting the life warriors, man. You don't see a woman sweet. You don't see a woman nice. You know what you do? You don't feel so on the dead, I remember going to out, no, man. Don't start destroying the life, man. Lower the badness thing. You understand? Lower the war thing. Lower the violent thing. Lower the bad man thing. You get me? I say, Bill, relax on yourself. You know, hold orders. And stop that show in the life. It's sad, man. You get me? Sure. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, you know. You don't know the thing, man. You don't know so the attacking boss there, man. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And just peace in the people. And love. And respect. Be good. And be great. And be safe out there. And, yo, it's all rough. Peace out.